The double bell charging mechanism. Charge is taken up via either skip car or conveyor belt and is delivered to a receiving hopper. Both small bell and the large bell are in closed condition. They are sealed. With large bell closed, the small bell is lowered and the charge material drops onto the large bell. The small bell is closed to prevent any gas escape. Once sealed, the large bell is lowered and charge material drops into the blast furnace. Both bells are closed and the system ready for repeat charging.